we giving the window washers at traffic lights too much money? Real Stories looked into this with some surprising results.
Means a lot, it's great.
I'm a window washer. I've been doing it for 8 years now. And yes, I've earned enough to live off. Well, I suppose live comfortably.
But how comfortably? Well, this might surprise you. A window washer earns $1.68 per car, and over an 8-hour day, that equals $1,153. Multiply that by 50 weeks a year, and you've got just over $250,000. Tax-free. What a rip-off.
I don't think I'm cheating anyone out of $1.
Window?
Sure, I put a head twitch in every now and again, and I run Tourette's Tuesdays.
Balls! Big dick balls!
Which turned out to be a great initiative.
Cocks!
Oh, $5, thanks mate.
I don't know what the problem is. Me saying, "Oh, I'm starving, give me some money or I'm going to die," is exactly the same as a car salesman saying, "Would you like free air conditioning?" It's a selling tool.
Oh, thanks mate. I've been eating bits of my left ear, I've been so hungry.
I'm just as honest as any other worker. I get up in the morning, I'll go for a swim, which is great, a bit of exercise, pick out what I'm going to wear that day, park my car a few blocks away from work, and I'm on my way. I'm not a scoundrel. I'm more of a hero, like Robin Hood. I take from the rich and I give to the poor. Well, I give to people that look poor.
And that just happens to be me and my window washing mates in this case.
It's great. How much money has "I'll give you one for free" made us?
Oh, that's good.